Can we sing happy birthday again? Okay, ready? Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sammy. Happy birthday to you. So, yay! So that present is from Aunt Ellen, Michael, Rebecca, and Lucas.
Open?
Yeah, rip it open, bud. You know how. Can you tell me how old you are now?
Me too.
Yeah, it's a big deal, isn't it?
Open?
Need some help?
Can I help you get started? Try the little corner there.
Oh, bless you.
Says myself.
Oh, okay. Gotta take a break to pull your sleeves down. It's important. Were you cold? What is that? Wow.
Wow! They're puzzles, Sam.
With animals.
Open. Open.
Do you like that?
Open.
Sure. Okay, can you look at me and say thank you?
Thank you.